What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna be out doing some drifting. It is currently 12/25/2025, or as some people were saying, 25/25/25 today. These are the vehicles for the day. We got my personal Ram 1500 that I purchased for $2,500, and then my buddy's WRX STI he purchased for a whopping $18,000. Two very nice vehicles. As you can tell, this one is obviously the nicer one here. We got my man Vine up in the STI. We're just gonna do some drifting out here in a parking lot. Do a couple POV switches. We'll do my POV for a minute and then we'll go to his. So hope y'all enjoy. Like the video. Let's see him do something crazy real quick. Nasty. His car sounds so good. Buckle up, safety first. Get. Oh man, it's wicked icy out today. Last night it was snowing like crazy. It's not, I mean, they obviously plowed it today, but lost it. Oh. Oh man, it's so icy today. I do have studdeds on, but it is wicked icy. I was not expecting that today. I knew it was gonna be a little icy, but this is crazy. Good thing it is a holiday, but I am surprised there's as many people as there is out. I was not expecting this many people to be lined up. Oh, I guess the buffet, the China Moon buffet is over there, so. Yeah, it's wicked icy. I bet you Vine's loving this shit, bro. His all-wheel drive is probably cooking this shit right now. Oh. Lost it. There he is, bro. Can't believe that shit. It's so icy, it's crazy. Like, oh my God. I don't think I've ever slid in this much in my life. Well, in the truck anyway, so far. A lot more traffic than I was hoping for. Looks like everybody's getting China Moon for lunch. What is it, a holiday or something? Jeez. Let's see if he'll pull over. All right. Subscribe, boys. Subscribe. I'm gonna give Vine the camera. I forgot to tell Vine to record. So, yeah, you kind of just missed a fat section of us drifting. It's all right. Hopefully we'll still be out drifting. Currently going to get some gas. It's either that or he might have clicked it quickly. I don't know. I'll have to look at the footage again. But all that time we just spent drifting, his POV is gone. So we're gonna try to run that shit back. Try to run that back. So yeah. Imagine having to worry about your tires. It's so nice.
The problem you wish you had, buddy.
Problem I wish I had, I'm gonna have soon, bro. Truck, what's the tires in the truck? Back one's a little cake. Front one's, it's fine, man. It's raw on them though, baby. It's raw on them. You know what I mean? Oh, lovely gentleman up here with a big horn. Don't tell him. My truck's faster than his. 4.7 Magnum. You know what I mean? It's just me though. You know what I'm saying?
Find another spot, but seems like it's gonna be kind of hard. Hit this bitch like this. Well, let's lock this. Good job. Slide out, we got all that grip. Shoot, I think I bumped it a little bit. Hey, we tried drifting in lock. Let's go minus mode. That shit is grippy. Oh, dude, look at this. I need to roll up this window. Get you. Damn, boy. Control, baby. Yeah. Drifting right over here. Bro, fucking me, bro. I didn't think it was gonna do all that. Bruh. Bro. Oh my god, my hair's... Oh, fuck it, I mean, I guess we gotta send it now. There, can't see nothing. Try to get sideways off this. Can't see nothing. Yeah, baby. Chat. You see this?
sir, brother. Yes, sir. All right, that's gonna do it, boys and girls. If you enjoyed that type of content, every time it snows, I'm out here drifting. I'm gonna start making videos on it. If you like the video, subscribe. My man Vine, I'm trying to get him to make a YouTube channel. Trying. You don't want to though. He should. He has a nice STI. My STI is almost done, so I'm gonna be out here in that instead. Maybe. We'll see. But all right, thank you guys. Have a good one.